Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech. So, do you want to install Scarlet on your iPhone or iPad but hates that revoke or annoying unable to install app error? In this video, I'll show you how to install Scarlet on your iOS devices using a best method that will definitely work for you and you will not face that annoying unable to install app error. And this is my guarantee. But for that, make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping any part. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So this method will work for all the iOS version from 16 to latest iOS 26, no jailbreak or PC required. So for that, go to the link given in the description or in the pinned comment and you will get interface like this. It's Flex Store, a powerful sideloading tool for iOS devices, and using this you can install unlimited apps without any revoke or blacklist problem. So now click on get here in the top right corner. After that you will get interface like this. Now either you can use this app in your browser only or click on share button on your Safari and add to your home screen. But make sure here web app is enabled. Once this app is added to your home screen, open it and allow all notifications. Now there you will see a lot of apps that you can install directly from here. But since this video is regarding how to install Scarlet, so we will just focus on that. So before you try to install Scarlet, you will need to set up the Flex Store first. For that, go to devices section and then click on add device. After that, click on allow and open your settings app. Now click on profile downloaded option at the top and click on install. Now enter your passcode here and click on install again. Once done, you will get a success page like this. Now open the Flex Store again and this time in the devices section, you will get your device UDID and certificate premium accesses option. Now next step is to download the certificate zip file from here. For that, just click on download button under the certificate section and copy the link and paste that link in any browser. After that, download that zip file. Once downloaded, open the Flex Store again and go to the signer option. Now here you will need IPA file of the Scarlet that you will get on my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description and in the pinned comment as well. Once you get the IPA file of the Scarlet, select that IPA file in the signer option of Flex Store and then click on sign app. After that, wait for the processing to be complete and then click on install again. Now return to your home screen and you will see the Scarlet has installed successfully without any issues and it is working perfectly. No unable to install app or revoke error. Now here's an important part. Before you try to install apps using Scarlet, you will need to set up it using the certificate zip file you downloaded from the Flex Store. For that, go to your files app and click on that zip file that you downloaded from the Flex Store. After that, you will get a new folder containing these three files. Now open your Scarlet again and hold the download icon in the top right corner and then click on manage cert option. After that, click on import cert and open that extracted folder and select the respective files. After that, enter your certificate password here and then click on OK. Now you will see your certificate is imported successfully in Scarlet. Just select that and now you are ready to install apps using Scarlet. And I hope you know how to install apps using Scarlet. For that, just select the IPA file that you want to install and then click on install. And after this, when you will return to your home screen, you will see your app is installed successfully and working perfectly, as you can see here. And not only this, if you want to install apps using Flex Store, just go to its app library or the sources option and select the app that you want to install and then click on sign app. After that, you will see the app is installed successfully and working perfectly. And in this way, you can install unlimited apps using Flex Store or Scarlet without any revoke or blacklist problem, and you will never face any issues related to sideloading. And if you want any solution with no compromises and easy to use, then this is the only. Go ahead, check it out. The link is given in the description or in the pinned comment as well. And if you're facing any issues or have any doubt, just let me know in comments. I will help you with that. And don't forget to subscribe Region of Tech to join our RTNs family and share it with your friends who might need it. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.